Akzo Nobel India Ltd, a paints and varnishes manufacturer. The company is a subsidiary of Akzo Nobel NV, which is the third largest paint company in the world. Akzo Nobel India is the fourth largest paint company in the decorative paint segment, primarily through its well-known brand Dulux. The company was incorporated in the year 1954. They are based in Gurugram, with more than 1,200 employees and 250 workers. They have 5 manufacturing plants located in Bengaluru, Thane, Hyderabad, Mohali, and Gwalior, with production capacity of 300 million litres per annum. Company also has 2 research and development centers in Bengaluru and Thane, and have partnered with 2 startups, Hyper-Reality Technologies and Fluid AI, to enhance the digital consumer experience. The market cap of the company is 10,967 crore rupees, and currently trading at 2,406 rupees per share. The company has a 13% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 12% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is almost 100% debt-free. Company offers various painting solutions like decorative paints, automotive and specialty coatings, powder coatings, industrial coatings, and marine and protective coatings. They also entered into new segments like Woodcare, Putty, Adhesives, and waterproofing. About 61% of the revenue is generated from decorative, and 39% from industrial segment. 3 main competitors of the company are Asian Paints, Berger Paints, and Kansai Nerolac. The market share of Asian Paints is 37%, 12% for Berger Paints, 11% for Kansai Nerolac, 6% for Akzo Nobel India, and 34% for others. The performance of the company in fiscal year 2021 was impacted by COVID-19. However, the company is now showing good signs of growth post-COVID. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of 50 rupees per share was paid in February 2024. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a small portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Coming to some key highlights. In 2023, company received Most Trusted Brands of India award by Marksman Daily. About 30% of the revenue is derived from sustainable solutions. There are plans to increase this to 50% by 2030. They have 2 research and development centers in Bengaluru and Thane. They have a footprint in more than 5,000 towns, and planning to reach 8,500 towns in next 2 years. Company has 4,000 B2B customers and 20,000 paint retailers. They export to Europe, USA, and the Middle East, with a revenue concentration of 5% from exports and 95% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.